right, almost time for class. Today I'm going to use Facebook live stream with myViewBoard to broadcast my class. All right, let's share. Okay, going live. All right, Johnny, cool. All right, looks like we're all here. So today we're going to learn about circles. And to get started, we're just going to learn about the parts of a circle here, okay? Our circle has a few main parts. First of all, we have the center of our circle is here. It's the center. And that's what the circle is named by. So if this, for example, is C, then this would be called circle C, because that's the letter at the center of the circle. The other important parts of a circle, we have, let me put this in here. This is the radius. And the radius is this line right there, which connects the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. We also have a diameter, which is this long blue line at the bottom there, and that goes from one side of the circle to the other and passes through the radius. Okay. The last part of the circle I want to show you guys and tell you about right now is all the way around the circle. So if we go all the way around like that, this is called the circumference. Okay, so the circumference of our circle is the distance all the way around. Okay, today we want to learn about two formulas that we're going to use with our circles. So the first one is, how do we actually calculate circumference? And that is going to be C equals pi. Now pi is a Greek symbol for a special number, which we usually think of as, we round that number to 3.14 usually, okay? Or 22/7, okay? So we can use those numbers for pi. Anyways, circumference equals pi times diameter, okay? If you have a question, why don't you type it into the comments there, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that anyone has. Sarah, ooh, that's a really good question, Sarah. Where does the formula for circumference come from? Wow, let's check it out. So if you notice here on the board, we have the formula for circumference right there, right? So the circumference of a circle equals pi times diameter. Now, where does this come from? Well, we know if we look at a circle, we can always measure the circumference. It's just the distance all the way around the circle, okay? So that is C. But that doesn't give us the formula. That doesn't give us pi or D, right? If I take that measurement and this measurement, which is the diameter, and if I do this is true of all circles, which is pretty cool, and this is where we get pi from. If I do C divided by D, guess what I always get? Circumference divided by diameter every single time is pi. And that's where pi comes from. So if I rearrange this formula to get C by itself, I would need to multiply both sides by D to get C by itself, right? Those D's are going to cancel each other out, and I am left with C equals pi D. Okay, so that's a really good question. That's where the formula for circumference comes from. All right, guys. Well, I got your exit tickets, and you're good to go. So have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. You're dismissed from class today. Bye-bye.